Product. A product is any good, service, or idea offered to the market to satisfy consumer needs or wants. It includes not only the physical item or service itself but also its features, design, quality, branding, and packaging. The product's attributes and how it meets customer needs are critical in positioning it effectively in the market and driving sales.
Product descriptions.
Worldwide manufacturing. We are pleased to announce the release of a new computer. The make of the product is RRI and the model is A550. It replaces the outdated model A330. If you own the old model, we don't recommend repairing it. Instead, we recommend purchasing the new one. This new version features the latest in modern technology. Its positive qualities include its innovative design and solid construction. The price is very affordable also. It costs less than the previous model. If interested, contact our customer service department. They will ship you the product within 3 business days. Don't miss out on this exciting new release.
Product details 1.
Instructions for warehouse employees. 1. Organize items according to size. Place small items on the top 2 shelves. Small items have dimensions of less than 24 by 24 by 12 inches. 2. Place large items on the bottom 2 shelves. That way, they are easier to move. 3. Place oversized items at the ends of aisles for ease of access. 4. Handle items that are in stock carefully to avoid damaging them. Keep product packaging intact. 5. If a product is out of stock, place a notice on the empty shelf. We will then backorder the item.
Product details 2.
Email from JBC Marketing to Eric G. Hi Eric, I want to commend your work on the logo design for the manufacturer. Our marketing team really like your choice of color. However, I feel the design is overall a little too bright. Can you make some of the image dark? We are glad to see that you avoided any rounded imagery. It is much better to use sharp, straight lines. We also liked your use of contrast between black and white space. That added some really nice detail to the logo. Can you expand the wording a little? And perhaps could you reduce the size of the logo? Thanks. Best, Marie, JBC Marketing.